So you're ready to move forward with HubSpot. You're likely on a deadline, and timing is pretty important. That's why we've optimized our implementation timeline to implement HubSpot 60 to 70% faster than average, which is about 1 month from start to finish. If timing isn't an issue, you can follow HubSpot's standard onboarding process, where they will walk you through how to start using HubSpot's features. Or if you want a fully hands-off implementation, you can work with a full-service agency. But if you want to implement HubSpot in a way that supports your full customer journey and finish the implementation actually understanding how HubSpot works, Coastal may be a good fit for you. When you implement HubSpot with Coastal Consulting, you walk away with a playbook for using the platform, and you can share that playbook with your team and continue to use it for onboarding new team members as you grow. We make sure that by the time we are done, you know how to use HubSpot and feel empowered to achieve your goals. HubSpot onboarding shows you how to implement HubSpot. Most agencies just do it for you. Coastal, you get both.